What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 9th, 2021. Wanted to come in today, do a real quick video about Dogecoin, let you all see what the price has done in relation to our last video, and then get in position to make sure that we always capitalize on the price move. We want to make sure that we are forecasters of price movement because that is the way that we're able to dominate within the cryptocurrency space. We need to make sure that we precisely try to project where price is going to go way before anyone else actually think the market's going to get there, so that we can sit there and wait to bring the bag to us. So if you guys want to join me, guess what? The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tap in with me because I want to make sure that you guys see it so that you can believe it, that you're able to do this for yourself. So now let's tap right on into our last video in Dogecoin. You guys can see it was on September 21st right here. We told you all that we was playing the weakness in the market in Dogecoin. Now, we wasn't extremely weak, but even in this situation, the price still didn't come all the way down to our ultimate TP price. It didn't. Instead, the market in Dogecoin decided to come in and hold support right here, around 20 cents. Now, did I identify that in our last video? I don't know. We're gonna have to go back and listen to our last Dogecoin video, which is in our Dogecoin playlist. So if you guys want to go back and just verify that I say that the market could hold 20 cents, go back and listen to it. It's still there, right? But that is where the market decided to prop up the price in Dogecoin, and since then, price has been going up, right? So if you guys couldn't eat off the market around 20 cents, which would have been around 5% profitability, we'll be down right now in our prediction around 18.25%. Right there. It happens. It goes that way. You don't always get every prediction correct. Even at times, the trap has to get some money too at the market, which he did in this particular situation for us. Now, let me get rid of it, because we need to see, can this upward move in Dogecoin continue? Because take a look. The answers are already here. Look at this. Look at all this volume that came in on the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th of October. All of that volume came into the market while Dogecoin was trading around 27 cents, 26.5 cents. We already identified that point as restriction, right? And so far, market in Dogecoin could not break above our restriction area. So what does it mean? Does it mean that the market is ready to break out? Maybe. Or does it mean that we're going to get rejected and come right back down in price? Let's try to see if we can find out which one is more likely to occur. All right. So now this restriction area is still entrenched. It is still involved in how the price in Dogecoin is reacting. And until we see this market in Dogecoin really break above 27 cents, we pretty much already understand that the market is not ready for a breakout just yet. But we might get a couple of hints on a different time frame. So let's switch this thing over to the 3-day time frame and see if we're getting any instances of market strength in Dogecoin, because currently the last 2 3-day price bars, I want you all to notice, we've seen an increase in volume. We've seen an increase in energy in the price in Dogecoin while we're trying to break up above 26 cents. Now, this is a process that is still ongoing into the market in Dogecoin. Are we done? Is the market going to continue to come back down to lower prices? Let's figure that out too. This is the 2-day time frame. So far the market in Dogecoin has gotten hit. I'm going to keep it real. The market in Dogecoin did get hit with a lot of selling the last 4 or 5 days. It did. But they took those hits quite well because the market is not reacting to a movement to the downside. So all of this volume that was absorbed in Dogecoin is literally being bought up by the market. So we can kind of anticipate that the price in Dogecoin is still amped to continue to go up. You guys can see it. I've even drawn this ascending line. So the trend in the market in Dogecoin is still one of higher prices. Right there. So far so good, that this market in Dogecoin is literally trying to continue to go up in price. Now, we still have to keep in mind this hurdle of 26 cents, okay? I'm not telling that this market is going to have a monumental breakout of 45% movement in one day. No, I'm not. But the market is building up all of this energy, though, for a breakage out of 26 cents to the upside. Yeah, I'm telling you that is what I'm looking at on this price chart. Cool. So let me do this. Let me extend out this 26 cent area because we still need to track it. Okay. We still need to watch the price in Dogecoin as we try to see it break up above that line. Now, if we're able to break 26 cents, okay, we have to be forward thinkers. Where would be the next location for us to see the next bout of selling? Like, where will we see the market get hit and expect the market to come back down in Dogecoin once we break 26 cents to the upside? Can you see it? I'm gonna show it to you. All right, it's right here. This is going to be the next spot for us to see the market in Dogecoin get some rejection. 29 cents, maybe 30 cents. 30 cents, and then the second area will be 35. So that's how we're going to stair step our way higher in price in Dogecoin. The next level is 30 cents. The level after that is 35 cents. Okay. Let's see how we look on the weekly time frame. Because so far the market in Dogecoin is still giving us some weakness. Let's keep it real. You guys can even tell here that the overall trend in the market in Dogecoin is still one of higher price. So as long as this market price in Dogecoin maintains its price above this long-term ascending line, guess what? We're going to go up in price. We don't need anything else outside of that. As long as we can visually tell where price is in relation to this long-term trend, we will go up in price. There's nothing hard about that. So far, so good. And then we even confirmed 20 cents as support in the market in Dogecoin, which is also another positive catalyst for us to maintain this upward move in Dogecoin. Looks pretty good to me. What do you all think? Okay, this is the 5 weeks time frame. So for the most part, over the last five-week price bars, the market in Dogecoin has gotten hit with some selling, but it hasn't been reactionary to the point of where we're seeing a crash, or we're seeing the prices plummet, or we're even seeing the prices collapse. We're not seeing that in this market in Dogecoin on this 5 weekly price bars. So literally the market is still here buying Dogecoin. Is all I'm pretty much saying. That's all I'm saying to you, is that the market here in Dogecoin is buying up this particular market. So now let me do this before I let you all go. I'm going to go ahead and do a price prediction of us expecting this price in Dogecoin to go up. Okay. Now, that 20 cent price is ultimately the biggest area of support for us, but I'm going to bring out another area of support right here to the low that came in on September the 7th. Okay. That is where I'm going to hold this market for support in Dogecoin. As long as we maintain that particular price level, we're going to anticipate the market in Dogecoin to go up. Okay. Now, restriction is still at 26 cents. So we have to at least be willing to take some of that bag off the table in Dogecoin around 26 cents. We have to. So that would give us around another 5.93% profitability when we see this market tag out 26 cents in Dogecoin. You guys can recall I said the next level will be around 29 cents to 30 cents. That would be the next location for us to see the next area of restriction in the market in Dogecoin right there. Okay, so I'm in it. This is it. This is my price prediction in the market in Dogecoin. You guys can literally tell what our expectations are. We're looking for the market in Doge to continue to go higher in price. It's just that simple. So now it is your turn. I'm going to give you all the opportunity to tell me with a comment on this video as to where you think the price in Dogecoin is going to go over the next 3 weeks. So hit me up, drop me a comment right now and let me know. I'm done. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.